Hey there! If you love watching massive machines in action, like excavators, trucks, and the giants of engineering, then you're in the right place. We bring you the most incredible footage of heavy-duty machines at work. But here's the deal. We need your support. By simply hitting that subscribe button, you help us grow and bring you even more amazing content. It's free, takes just a second, and means the world to us. So go ahead, subscribe now, and let's explore the world of heavy machines together. All right, folks, buckle up, because today we're diving into the big, bad, and downright ridiculous world of tree chopping, wood slicing, forest-dominating machines. This isn't your grandpa's rusty old chainsaw. Oh no, these are the heavy hitters, the muscle machines, the hold my beer and watch this of the woodworking world. From stump crushers to tree-munching titans, we've got 51 machines that will make you question if trees even stand a chance anymore. So grab your safety goggles and maybe a notepad, because these beasts are worth remembering. The Dipperfox SC600 is what happens when someone says, "Let's make stump removal cool." This compact beast attaches to your loader or mini excavator and takes out stumps with the precision of a surgeon and the flair of a rock star. At just 60 RPM, it grinds stumps without flinging debris like it's in a stump shaving contest. Safety? Nailed it. Perfect for gardens, parks, or anywhere you don't want your neighbors calling the cops, the SC600 goes half a meter underground, so replanting becomes a breeze. Its small size doesn't mean small performance. It's a powerhouse for tight spaces where big machines can't squeeze in. Quiet, efficient, and oddly satisfying to watch, the SC600 turns stump removal into an art form. Who knew forestry could be this fun? The Bandit 2290 track doesn't just chip trees, it eats them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This 22-inch capacity monster is powered by up to 525 horsepower from Caterpillar, Cummins, or John Deere engines. So you know it means business. With its dual feed wheels and Bandit's slide box feed system, it drags in stubborn logs like a wood-hungry beast. Mounted on a Caterpillar 315L steel track undercarriage, it stomps across rough terrain with the confidence of a forest king. The massive 37-inch drum with babbited knives pulverizes trees into chips faster than you can say deforestation. Add a Kessler loader with a remote control, and you're practically a forestry wizard. Rugged, efficient, and endlessly hungry, the 2290 track doesn't just clear land, it devours it. The Tiger Cat LX 830E is the mountain goat of feller bunchers. Built to conquer steep slopes and gnarly terrain with a mix of brute force and finesse. Packing a 330 horsepower Tiger Cat FPT engine, it chews through trees like they owe it money. Stability? Check. With a wide stance, extreme duty undercarriage, and auto leveling cab, you'll feel as steady as a rock, even on tricky slopes. The hydraulic system is a multitasking champ, running everything from the saw to the cooling fan like a well-rehearsed symphony. Inside, it's all about operator comfort, heated and cooled air ride seat, touchscreen controls, and cameras that make you feel like you're piloting a spaceship. Whether you're thinning or final felling, the LX 830E delivers top-tier performance with style and swagger. When it comes to turning brush and trees into mulch, the Fecon Bull Hog is the undisputed heavyweight champ. Attach it to your skid steer, excavator, or tractor, and watch it devour anything in its path. Its advanced rotor systems, like the FGT and depth control rotor, make quick work of even the toughest jobs, leaving nothing but finely shredded mulch in its wake. Durability is a given. This thing is built tougher than your in-laws' holiday fruitcake. Whether you're outfitting it with double carbide teeth or knife tools, it's up for the challenge. And with configurations for almost any machine, it's like the Swiss Army knife of land-clearing attachments. The Bullhog doesn't just clear the way, it obliterates the competition. Mulching has never looked this good. Ever wondered what a log's worst nightmare looks like? Enter the Barco 270B processor, a machine so efficient it feels like overkill in the best way. Armed with a 225 horsepower Cummins engine and load-sensing hydraulics, this beast knows how to balance power and finesse. Think lumberjack meets brain surgeon. The dangle head boom gives you reach like you're playing fetch with the treetops, and the D7 undercarriage handles terrain that would make mountain goats nervous. And let's not forget that 66,700 pounds of drawbar pull, enough to drag stubborn logs out of hiding. Inside the cab, it's operator paradise. Heated air ride seats, customizable controls, and maintenance-friendly features like a gull-wing door. The 270B is a powerhouse with a soft spot for comfort, proof that forestry can be brutal and refined. Can't decide between a forwarder or a harvester? Why not both and take the Timber Pro TF830C to your consideration? With a quick detach boom system that lets you switch modes in 10 minutes, this beast is like the multi-tool you didn't know you needed. Powered by a Cummins 8.3-liter engine churning out 300 horses, or an optional Volvo Tier 4 engine for extra grunt, it handles dense forests and heavy loads without breaking a sweat. The 360-degree continuous rotation means no awkward repositioning, just grab and go. Inside, the cab is pure luxury. Heated air ride seats, reduced noise and visibility so good that you'll feel like a forestry superhero. Built tough with bogie axles that tackle tight turns like a pro, the TF830C makes logging smarter, faster, and way cooler. The Cat FM 548 is the heavyweight boxer of forest machines. It doesn't just do the job, it knocks it out in the first round. With a 275 horsepower, Cat C 7.1 engine, and enough hydraulic flow to make other machines jealous, this beast handles logs, loading, and road building like it's warming up for something bigger. Swing torque? Let's just say it can spin faster than you trying to dodge weekend chores. The ROPS certified cab is so quiet and comfy, you might start wishing for longer shifts. Heated seats, great visibility, and zero unnecessary rattles. And maintenance? Cat's got your back with longer filter life and a design that won't leave you cursing under the hood. Whether you're deep in the woods or handling the big jobs, the FM 548 is here to show the forest who's boss. The Rodney H21D is the heavyweight champ of harvesters, built to turn final felling into a smooth, tree-dominating operation. Its high-torque diesel engine delivers power without guzzling fuel. Just 0.35 liters per cubic meter. With a 500-liter tank, you'll forget what refueling feels like. The RK250 crane is a beast, reaching 11 meters and handling big harvester heads like it's showing off. Mounted directly over the bogie, it stays rock solid even at full stretch. The DASA Forester control system is your brainy sidekick, making harvesting data-driven and efficient. Operator comfort, top-notch. A swiveling cab gives you a 360-degree view, and it's so quiet and smooth, you'll think you're in a luxury SUV. Whether you're on 6 or 8 wheels, the H21D eats tough terrain for breakfast. Final felling? Handled. Meet the Cenobogan 825E, the material handler that's as versatile as a multi-tool and as powerful as a heavyweight champ. Whether you're dealing with timber, scrap, or recycling materials, this machine is ready to tackle it all. With an operating weight ranging from 28.8 to 32.8 tons and a reach of up to 14 meters, the 825E offers impressive stability and extensive reach. You can choose between a 129 kilowatt diesel engine or a 110 kilowatt electric motor, depending on your power preferences and environmental considerations. Operator comfort is a priority with the Max Cab, featuring an elevated position for optimal visibility, ensuring you have a clear view of your work area. In summary, the Cenobogan 825E is a reliable and efficient partner for modern material handling tasks, offering the flexibility and power needed to get the job done. Logging giants, meet your match, the Ponce Bear. This heavyweight harvester is built for serious tree felling operations, powered by a 260 kilowatt Mercedes-Benz/MTU engine that tackles massive trunks like they're toothpicks. It's not just strong, it's smart. with hydraulics that let the crane and harvester head work together like a dream team. The choice of cranes, C55 parallel or C6 sliding boom, means you can tailor the bear to suit your logging style. Need stability? Whether you go 6-wheel or 8-wheel, this machine grips rough terrain like it's out for revenge. The cab is a luxury suite for operators, with ergonomic controls and panoramic views that make long shifts feel almost too easy. If you're looking to dominate large-scale logging, the Ponce Bear is the apex predator of the forest. The Bell Ultra C is the forestry equivalent of a ninja. Quick, precise, and ready to tackle tight spaces. Powered by a dependable Cummins diesel engine, this compact feller buncher has the muscle to handle serious tree harvesting while keeping its movements slick and smooth. The 33-inch dangle head saw is the star of the show, cutting through timber like a hot knife through butter. Its design screams versatility, with maneuverability that makes even rugged terrains feel like a playground. Inside the cab, operators are treated to intuitive controls and excellent visibility, so you can see every branch you're about to dominate. Compact, efficient, and built for action, the Bell Ultra C doesn't just harvest trees, it makes it look easy. This little powerhouse punches well above its weight class. The Woodcracker C550 is the heavyweight champ of tree shears, ready to take down massive trunks like it's competing in the Forestry Olympics. With a cutting capacity of up to 24 inches for softwood and 22 inches for hardwood, it doesn't just handle trees, it dominates them. Its powerful gripper is like a tree's worst handshake nightmare, holding steady while the synchronized cutter does its thing. Mounting it to a standard excavator, easy peasy. The endlessly rotatable tiltator makes sure you're never stuck in awkward positions, and the optional accumulator lets you stack up smaller trees like a pro. Made from high-strength hard-ox steel, the C550 is as tough as it gets. Whether you're thinning, clearing, or tackling problem trees, this beast turns forestry into a walk in the park. The John Deere 1270H is a harvester that's part beast, part brain. Designed for heavy-duty logging, it combines raw power with surgical precision. Its high-output engine and advanced hydraulics ensure it eats through dense forests without breaking a sweat, while its Timbermatic H12 system gives you pinpoint control over every cut. The crane? Smooth, strong, and ridiculously versatile, it reaches far, handles big timber, and operates with the finesse of a ballet dancer. If ballet dancers could bench press trees. Add in 6-wheel and 8-wheel configurations for supreme stability, and you've got a harvester ready for any terrain. Inside the cab, it's all comfort and tech. Panoramic views, ergonomic controls, and systems that make even the longest shifts manageable. The 1270H isn't just a harvester, it's your forest clearing MVP. The Quadco 56 QDM isn't just a felling head, it's a timber shredding powerhouse built to dominate the forest. With its 56-inch cutting capacity, this beast takes down trees like it's swiping left on everything in its path. The saw disc is precision engineered to slice through timber with the efficiency of a hot knife through butter. Durability off the charts. Made from heavy-duty materials, the 56 QDM can handle the abuse of tough terrains and high-intensity operations without flinching. Its quad knife system keeps cuts clean, while the synchronized opening and closing of the knives make handling trees a breeze. Mount it on your favorite carrier, and you're ready to turn dense forests into neatly stacked logs. The 56 QDM doesn't just work hard, it works smart. Forestry has never looked this effortless. If machines had nicknames, the Barco 830B would be the muscle. This powerhouse is built to move, load, and handle logs with the kind of strength that makes gym bros jealous. Powered by a 225 horsepower Cummins engine, it lifts and swings like it's showing off at a strongman competition. The 830B's hydraulic system is a multitasking wizard, delivering precision and power to the boom and grapple, like it's running on espresso. Its stability is rock solid, with a low center of gravity and an optional track undercarriage for those extra gnarly terrains. The cab, think first-class forestry. With panoramic views, ergonomic controls, and enough comfort to make you forget you're working, long shifts feel shorter. If you're serious about productivity, the Barco 830B doesn't just raise the bar, it throws it across the forest. The Logset 12H GTE Hybrid isn't just a harvester. It's the overachiever of the forestry world. Picture a logging machine that guzzles timber while sipping fuel thanks to its hybrid system pairing a 7.4-liter diesel engine with an electric motor for an extra 104 horsepower when needed. This isn't just power, it's smart power. Handling big jobs? Easy, with a 12-ton crane and a cutting diameter that tackles massive trunks. The 12H GTE laughs at heavy workloads. The hybrid boost ensures consistent performance, even when the forest tries to throw a tantrum. Inside, the cab is built for pros. Top-notch visibility, intuitive controls, and comfort that makes all-day shifts manageable. If you're looking for muscle with brains and an eco-friendly edge, the 12H GTE Hybrid delivers big time. If the Rotney H8 were a person, it'd be the sly genius who shows up at a lumberjack competition and wins with finesse instead of brute force. This nimble harvester is built for thinning operations, excelling in tight spaces and dense stands like it was born for the job. Its two-part chassis and articulated joint give it the agility of a cat, gliding through rough terrains while minimizing impact on the forest floor. Paired with a compact yet powerful crane, it handles trees like a seasoned professional. Quick, efficient, and precise. Inside, the cab is the definition of operator comfort. Quiet, ergonomic, and with a panoramic view, it's designed to make long shifts feel short. The Rotney H8 doesn't just work smart, it redefines what smart looks like in forestry. If the Tiger Cat Mulcher 480B were in a fight, it wouldn't just win. It would mulch the competition and leave no trace. Built for heavy-duty land clearing, this beast is powered by a 415 horsepower Tiger Cat FPT engine that turns stubborn vegetation into finely ground mulch in record time. Its massive mulching head chews through trees, brush, and anything else unlucky enough to be in its path. The 480B's track system isn't just about getting from A to B, it conquers rugged terrain like it's out for revenge. The cab is a fortress of comfort, offering panoramic views, intuitive controls, and sound suppression so good you might forget you're piloting a destruction machine. Durable, efficient, and downright unstoppable. The Tiger Cat 480B isn't just a mulcher, it's a forestry force of nature. The Woodcracker CS750 is like the lumberjack who brought a chainsaw to a knife fight, and then added a hydraulic grip for good measure. Designed for precision tree felling in tricky conditions, this attachment is all about safe, efficient, and downright impressive cutting. With a cutting diameter of 29.5 inches, the CS750 handles everything from dense forest giants to problem trees near roads and power lines. The hydraulically driven saw bar delivers smooth, clean cuts, while the gripper keeps trees steady like it's got something to prove. Mounting options are versatile, and the durable hard-ox steel construction means it's built to last. Whether you're working on steep slopes or urban maintenance, the CS750 is the kind of tool that makes tree removal look easy and a little too fun. If the Dipperfox SC400 were a superhero, its power would be instant stump elimination. Designed for small to medium-sized excavators, the stump crusher doesn't just grind stumps, it annihilates them with style and precision. With a cutting diameter of 400 mm and a design that works up to half a meter below the ground, it leaves no trace of its victims, making replanting a breeze. The SC400 operates at a max speed of 60 RPM, meaning it's fast enough to impress, but won't fling debris like it's hosting a woodchip party. Built from high-strength steel, it's rugged enough for heavy-duty jobs but compact enough for urban environments. Whether it's clearing land or sprucing up parks, the SC400 makes stump removal less of a chore and more of a spectacle. If stumps had a union, the Fekin Stumper would be their arch nemesis. This attachment doesn't just remove stumps, it turns them into a fine powder and leaves the ground wondering what just happened. Designed for skid steers, excavators, and tractors, the Fekin Stumper takes versatility to the next level. Its aggressive teeth and high-torque motor are built to chew through hardwood like it's a marshmallow. And the precision? Spot on. It grinds deep below the surface, ensuring stumps don't make a comeback. What's better, it's surprisingly operator-friendly. The attachment design keeps vibrations minimal, and its straightforward maintenance means you spend less time wrenching and more time stumping. For anyone tired of wrestling with stubborn roots, the Fakan Stumper makes sure the stumps know who's boss. Imagine a wood chipper and a precision scalpel had a high-powered love child. That's the Dennis Simaf DAF 150D. This mulcher attachment is built to turn dense brush and small trees into mulch faster than you can say land clearing. The DAF 150D shines with its ultra-sharp cutting teeth and 60-inch wide cutting width. It doesn't just mulch, it obliterates, leaving behind a clean, even finish. Perfect for skid steers and excavators, this beast fits in where the big machines can't, handling tight spaces and uneven terrain like a pro. Where it really wins? Efficiency. Its streamlined design reduces fuel consumption and wear, meaning less downtime and more clearing. Whether you're taming wild landscapes or tidying up urban lots, the DAF 150D is the mulcher you'll wish you had years ago. You're sitting in the cab of the Weiler B457 and it hits you. You've never felt this in control of a machine before. The 250 horsepower engine hums beneath you, steady and powerful, as you ease into action. The hydrostatic drive, butter smooth. You start thinking, is it me, or am I really good at this? The controls feel intuitive, like they were designed specifically for you. With its wide four-tire base gripping the ground like glue, every pass you make is straight and precise. And the visibility? You've got a crystal-clear view of everything, from the road ahead to your perfectly aligned work. By the time you're done, you're already wishing for another project. The B457 doesn't just pave roads, it makes you look like a pro. The Lamtrack LTR 6140 is like the overachieving little sibling who shows up at the family reunion and outworks everyone. Don't let its compact size fool you. This mulcher comes roaring in with a 140 horsepower Cummins engine, ready to chew through trees and brush like it's skipped breakfast. Its mulching head doesn't just clear land, it makes mulch art. The low ground pressure design, genius. It treats fragile terrain with kid gloves while still getting the job done like a bulldozer on a mission. Hop in the cab and its comfort central, ergonomic controls, panoramic views, and smooth handling that'll make you forget you're operating heavy equipment. The LTR 6140 is proof that small but mighty isn't just a saying, it's a forestry philosophy. If the Bandit Model 5000 were a movie, it'd be titled Brush Beware. This forestry mower doesn't just clear land, it declares war on overgrowth and wins every time. Its monstrous engine hums with power, while the heavy-duty rotor system tears through trees and brush, like it's auditioning for a shredding competition. The cutting power? Unmatched. It chews through dense vegetation and stumps like it's snacking. The design ensures stability on rough terrain, so no hill or ditch can slow it down. Maintenance is a breeze too, with smart engineering keeping downtime to a minimum. Hop in the operator's seat and you'll feel like you're piloting the ultimate land clearing weapon. The Bandit 5000 doesn't just do the job, it owns it. Mulching just got personal. Let's get one thing straight. The Barco 930B isn't here to play nice, it's here to dominate. This loader packs a 320 horsepower Cummins engine that doesn't just move logs, it flings them like they owe it something important. Whether you're working in a mill yard or deep in the forest, the 930B makes heavy lifting look like child's play. Its hydraulic system is a multitasking mastermind, delivering power exactly where you need it without breaking a sweat. And the stability? Rock solid. With its robust undercarriage, even uneven terrain won't throw it off its game. The cab, it's like stepping into a cockpit. Comfortable, quiet, and offering panoramic views that make precise operations second nature. The Barco 930B isn't just a machine, it's your partner in productivity. The Timber Pro TL745D isn't just a forestry machine, it's a command center on tracks built for operators who mean business. With its 300 horsepower Cummins engine, this harvester doesn't just work hard, it makes the forest look like it's giving up willingly. What sets the TL745D apart? That 360-degree continuous rotation. You can spin, grab, and process without wasting a second repositioning. Its stability is unmatched thanks to the wide undercarriage and well-balanced design that makes steep slopes feel like flat ground. Inside the cab, you'll find luxury meets functionality, air ride seats, touchscreen controls, and visibility so good you might start giving trees names before cutting them. Whether it's thinning, final felling, or just showing off, the TL745D is the machine that delivers power, precision, and style. The Bobcat T770 doesn't ask for permission. It just gets the job done. Step into this compact track loader, and you're immediately in control of 92 horsepower, ready to tackle everything from grading to heavy lifting. It's the machine equivalent of a multitasking genius. With a vertical lift path that can hoist up to 11 feet, this workhorse makes loading high-sided trucks feel like a casual chore. The undercarriage is built for rough terrain, offering stability in a smooth ride even when the job site gets messy. And the cab? It's designed for the operator who's in it for the long haul. Deluxe controls, excellent visibility, and soundproofing make every shift comfortable. If versatility and reliability are what you're after, the T770 proves there's nothing small about this compact powerhouse. The TigerCat LX870D is the action hero of feller bunchers. Powerful, agile, and always ready to tackle the toughest terrains. Its ER boom technology doesn't just move, it glides, making tree felling look like a choreographed performance. On a steep slopes or rugged ground, the closed-loop track drives keep you in control, even when the forest fights back. Step inside and it's all operator luxury. The cab offers visibility that makes you feel like a drone pilot and controls so smooth you might mistake it for a video game. Maintenance? Easy. TigerCat made sure service points are as accessible as your favorite coffee shop. If you need power, precision, in a machine that works harder than you, the LX870D is here to claim the crown of the forest. The Kessler 27R-H-2 isn't just a harvester head. It's the Swiss Army knife of forestry tools. Built for 16 to 22-ton excavators and heavy rubber-wheeled harvesters, it adapts to every job like it's reading your mind. Need power? Choose the right feeding motors, and it's ready to devour even the toughest trees. What's great is its precision. This head doesn't just cut, it does so with finesse, leaving you with clean, efficient results. Its robust build feels like it could survive a meteor strike, and its performance on dense forests or selective thinning operations proves its versatility. Whether you're in deep woods or urban landscapes, the 27R-2 is your reliable, adaptable partner. It's not just a harvester head, it's the ultimate multi-tool for forestry pros. The Quadco M62 is like a wood chipper on steroids. It doesn't just mulch, it obliterates. This beast is designed for mulching operations that mean business. Its bite limiter spiral pattern makes quick work of trees, brush, and dense vegetation, leaving behind mulch that's practically a work of art. Mount it, fire it up, and watch as it turns overgrowth into nothingness with the efficiency of a laser-guided buzzsaw. The heavy-duty build means it doesn't flinch, no matter how tough the terrain or task. If you're managing land or clearing stubborn vegetation, the M62 will have you wondering why you didn't grab one sooner. It's not just a tool, it's a mulching revolution. The Rotten F11D is like a nimble athlete who can also deadlift 12 tons. With its 8-wheel design and high tractive force, this forwarder is all about agility and strength. It's built to glide through challenging terrain like it's out for a stroll while carrying heavy loads like it's no big deal. The cab, operator heaven, with comfort line tech, ergonomic seats, and panoramic visibility, you might forget you're working in the middle of a forest. Its low center of gravity keeps it stable, even on uneven ground. Whether you're hauling logs or showing off its smooth moves, the F11D makes forestry feel effortless. Power, precision, and comfort. It's got it all wrapped up in one hardworking machine. The Fecon FTX 150-2 doesn't clear land, it declares war on it. This 155 horsepower mulching tractor chews through vegetation and spits out mulch like it's trying to impress the forest. With a torque of 457 foot-pounds at 1,500 revolutions per minute, it powers through right-of-way maintenance, lot clearing, and vegetation management like it's all in a day's work. What's even better, it's efficient. With a fuel consumption of just 4 to 5 gallons per hour, it works hard without guzzling your budget. Its compact size makes it a ninja in tight spaces, and the durable build laughs in the face of tough conditions. If you're tired of wrestling with overgrowth, the FTX 150-2 is the mulching machine that says, "I got this." The Dennis Simoff Da 150E is like giving your excavator a razor-sharp haircutting attachment. But for forests, this mulcher doesn't just clear land, it gives overgrowth a neat and tidy goodbye. Its high-efficiency rotor with ultra-sharp knives shreds through brush, trees, and whatever's in its way, like it's auditioning for a mulching Olympics. Compatible with carriers of all sizes, this mulcher fits right in whether you're on an urban maintenance job or deep in the wild. It doesn't just mulch, it creates a fine, even layer that looks professionally finished. If you've got overgrown chaos to tame, the DAH 150E is the machine that will take care of it all. The Ecolog 661LF isn't just a harvester, it's a tree-felling surgeon. With its low-fuel technology, it delivers power without guzzling diesel, like a thirsty teenager at a soda fountain. This machine doesn't just get the job done, it does it with class and a nod to your wallet. Its engine and hydraulics work in perfect harmony, tackling heavy-duty tasks while keeping things efficient. And the cab? Ergonomic controls, panoramic views, and enough operator comfort to make you forget you're working in the middle of a forest? The 661LF is here to prove you can have both brains and brawn in one neat package. The Weiler B768 Feller Buncher is the heavyweight you call in when the forest starts talking back. This beast doesn't chop trees, it commands them to fall. Its robust engine and advanced hydraulics give you precision and power, while its rugged build makes sure it can take a beating and keep going. The cab is where it gets personal. Spacious, quiet, and with controls that feel like an extension of your own hands, the B768 turns heavy-duty work into something almost enjoyable. Built to handle dense forests and steep terrains, this machine is your go-to for jobs that demand strength, durability, and a touch of finesse. The Timber Pro TL755D is like the multi-tool of forestry machines. Need power? Check. Precision? Double check. It handles heavy timber with a 360-degree rotation that makes other machines look clunky by comparison. This isn't just a feller buncher, it's a show-off in the best way. Its hydraulic system is smooth and responsive, and the cab is more comfortable than your favorite recliner. Ergonomic controls, perfect visibility, and room to stretch out make long shifts feel shorter. Whether you're tackling final felling or thinning operations, the TL755D adapts to your needs like a pro. Power, precision, and operator luxury? Sign me up. The Ecolog 688 Forwarder is like the workhorse that also happens to win beauty contests. With its powerful engine and advanced suspension system, it carries heavy loads through the toughest terrains like it's out for a leisurely jog. And let's talk about the cab. It's not just spacious, it's basically a VIP lounge with intuitive controls and panoramic views. Every trip feels smooth, even when you're hauling massive loads. Built for efficiency and durability, the 688 is the ultimate tool for forestry pros who want a machine that works as hard as they do. If you're looking to clear, haul, and dominate, this forwarder delivers on all fronts. We all use dustbins at home, but what if the ocean had one too? Meet the Sea Bin, a floating trash collector designed to clean up marine debris. It works by using a pump to draw in water, passing it through a filter that traps waste while letting clean water flow back out. This simple yet effective system can filter 25 liters per hour, making a big difference in polluted waters. Even better, it runs for an entire day on just $1. With its low cost and high efficiency, the Sea Bin is helping to keep harbors, marinas, and coastal areas free from floating trash. As grain exports grow and vessels get larger, the need for efficient loading and unloading systems has never been greater. Enter Brook Swirl's fully enclosed screw-type grain unloaders, capable of discharging grain and other materials at an impressive 1,800 tons per hour. But that's not all. Brook also offers a lightweight, compact belt-type loader that can handle up to 2,000 tons per hour, perfect for even the largest post-Panamax ships. What sets these systems apart is their environmentally friendly design, ensuring minimal dust and zero spillage. This makes loading and unloading faster, safer, and cleaner, all while meeting the growing demands of global trade. Imagine a robot that can sort waste with pinpoint accuracy. Meet the Zen Robotics Recycler. This smart system uses advanced machine learning and industrial robots to separate waste into different categories. It's designed to handle various waste streams, including construction, demolition, and industrial waste. Here's how it works. The Zen Robotics Recycler is equipped with sensors like cameras, 3D scanners, and metal detectors to identify materials on a moving conveyor belt. Its machine learning algorithms classify the waste, allowing the robotic arms to pick and sort each item with precision. The selected materials are then placed into separate chutes for proper recycling. It's a fast, efficient, and futuristic way to handle waste. Recycling is essential for protecting our environment, and Nico Engineers has created a machine to make the process even easier. This high-tech beverage container sorter uses object detection and transmission sensors to automatically separate bottles from waste. Instead of sorting by hand, this smart system quickly classifies bottles and sends them to the right chamber, saving time and effort. Once a chamber fills up, a powerful hydraulic system compresses the bottles into compact bales. These compressed bundles are then ready for easy transport to recycling centers. With automation and efficiency, this machine helps reduce waste and speeds up the recycling process, making a big impact on sustainability. Here's something surprising. 43% of recycled tire rubber is turned into tire-derived fuel for cement production. But before that can happen, the tires must be cut down properly. That's where Gradol's powerful tire cutting machine comes in. It starts by removing both sidewalls, making it easier to process the remaining rubber. Then the machine slices the tires into smaller pieces, ready for recycling. The best part? It works on all types of tires, from small car tires to massive truck ones. This machine not only makes recycling easier, but also helps repurpose old tires in a way that benefits industries and the environment. Floods in India bring devastation every year, washing away waste from towns and villages and polluting water sources. This pollution leads to serious health risks, including deadly diseases. To tackle this, Cleantech Infra has introduced an efficient solution. Their machine uses gates on either side to trap floating debris, which is then collected by a conveyor system. With a massive 20 cubic meter storage tank, this vessel can handle 15 to 20 load shifts daily, making cleanup operations faster and more effective. By quickly removing waste from floodwaters, Cleantech Infra helps local governments reduce pollution, protect communities, and restore cleaner water sources after heavy rains. Let's talk about the Watermaster, a massive and impressive machine designed for work in shallow waters. It's built to handle a range of tasks like dredging, raking, and piling, making it super versatile. The Watermaster has a strong body and powerful hydraulics, allowing it to move on its own until it reaches the water. While it can swim, it relies on its firm legs under the water for stability during operations. Once it's in position, it can quickly switch attachments to tackle various jobs, from removing trash to clearing invasive plants. The best part? It can be controlled remotely, making it efficient and cost-effective for any large project. Shifting our focus to rivers, where most ocean plastic begins its journey, the 4Ocean Mobile Skimmer is a game-changer. This 22-foot-long machine has a 13-foot wingspan and 2 retractable arms that help scoop up floating trash. Its conveyor belts pull in debris, making cleanup quick and efficient. A crane on deck lifts collected waste, ensuring easy disposal. After rigorous testing and improvements, this skimmer now operates worldwide, tackling pollution at its source. By intercepting plastic in rivers before it reaches the ocean, this machine plays a crucial role in reducing marine pollution and protecting marine life from the dangers of plastic waste. Clearing rivers of plastic waste is crucial, and the interceptor is designed to do just that without blocking water flow. This machine operates using a conveyor belt system, smoothly collecting floating debris before it reaches the ocean. Unlike other cleanup machines, it stands out due to its low operating cost and minimal labor requirements, making it a cost-effective solution for large-scale cleanup efforts. By strategically placing these machines in polluted rivers, massive amounts of waste can be intercepted before they cause harm to marine life. The interceptor proves that smart engineering and efficiency can go hand in hand when tackling global pollution problems, making waterways cleaner without disrupting their natural flow. It's not just humans causing pollution. Sometimes nature adds to the problem too, like with devastating forest fires. Each fire destroys thousands of trees that help provide oxygen to our planet. One of the best ways to fight these fires is by spraying water from the sky. The global supertanker takes this approach to a whole new level. This powerful aircraft can carry up to 19,200 gallons of water or 18,000 gallons of fire retardant in a single flight. By carrying so much, it reduces the need for multiple planes, keeping crews safer and making firefighting more efficient. It's a vital tool in reducing the risks of forest fires. Let's talk about a space-saving powerhouse, the HSM HL7009 baler by Astralbum. Designed to be compact, this machine takes up very little room while handling big disposal tasks. It can compress everything from cardboard to paper and other bulky waste that would otherwise create clutter. Its large diameter filling is perfect for oversized cartons, making the process quick and efficient. With a powerful hydraulic system that applies 7,000 kilonewtons of force, it's ideal for retail stores and medium storage facilities. Plus, manual bale strapping with wire is easy, thanks to its built-in tipping. Best of all, it automatically unloads the bale, proving that this machine is truly an engineering marvel. Shredding machines have been around for a while, but none compare to the power of Waymo's shredder. Designed specifically for fabric recycling, this machine is a game changer for the textile industry. It efficiently cuts materials into strips or fine particles, making the recycling process much smoother. What makes it so effective? A strong enclosed hydraulic system, durable rotor knives, and a high-powered drive with a YMCA gearbox. These features ensure it never struggles, no matter how tough the material. With its precision and reliability, Waymo's shredder is helping reduce textile waste, making recycling faster, easier, and more sustainable for the industry. Recycling plastic isn't just about shredding. It's a whole process, and Jordan Machinery has perfected it with their advanced machines. They've designed hundreds of machines for different applications, ensuring plastic waste gets a second life. First, the plastic goes through a thorough wash in a special washing line. After that, it's fed into the recycling machine for shredding. But the job isn't done yet. Each batch of plastic pellets is tested to ensure high quality. Finally, the plastic is extruded into new pellets, ready to be turned into various products. Gording also offers heat compression recycling, which can process all types of plastic at once, making it even more efficient. When it comes to shredding tires efficiently, EcoGreen's single-shaft tire shredder is a true beast. Equipped with 24 ultra-strong knives and blades, it slices through massive tires in seconds. This machine runs on a powerful Haglund motor and features a custom-built hydraulic unit for extra durability. What makes it even more impressive? It can process up to 12 tons of rubber every hour, turning tires into 8-inch rubber pieces ready for recycling. Whether for repurposing rubber or reducing waste, this shredder gets the job done fast and efficiently, making tire disposal more manageable and eco-friendly. Next up, we have the RE7242 TBHS, a powerful hydraulic pressing machine designed to handle bulky tires. Since tires take up a lot of space, transporting them for recycling can be costly and inefficient. That's where this machine comes in. Using its vertical hydraulic system, it compresses tires, making them easier and more economical to transport. With this space-saving solution, more tires can be loaded at once, cutting down on transportation costs. It also features manual bale mounting and unloading, making the process simple and user-friendly. Efficient, easy to use, and highly effective. This machine is a game-changer in tire recycling and waste management. Did you know that aluminum is the third most abundant element on Earth, making up about 8.23% of the Earth's crust? But instead of constantly extracting new aluminum, recycling is a much smarter and more sustainable option. That's why companies like Norsk Hydro focus on reusing aluminum, which saves energy, money, and helps protect the environment. The process involves melting down recycled aluminum and pouring it into molds to create new products. Norsk Hydro specializes in turning this recycled material into useful building components like pipes, window frames, and more. This approach reduces waste and ensures aluminum is reused efficiently instead of ending up in landfills. When it comes to breaking down bulky waste, the SSI Primax Shredder, also known as a primary reducer, is a true powerhouse. This heavy-duty industrial shredder is built to handle massive materials like cardboard, plastic, and other waste with ease. Its unique cutter profiles and open cutting table design allow it to tear, shear, chop, and crush materials into smaller, manageable pieces. The best part? It operates with high capacity while minimizing clogging issues, ensuring a smooth and efficient shredding process. Whether for recycling or waste management, this machine is a game changer in reducing large waste into something much easier to handle. Next up, we have the Forest S250, a powerful two-shaft shredder with an electric drive. Designed as a pre-shredder, this machine can handle a wide variety of materials with ease. Whether it's household waste, bulky trash, commercial waste, old wood, demolition debris, green cuttings, or even organic waste, the SES 250 tears through it effortlessly. Its dual shafts provide strong, consistent shredding power, making waste management more efficient. With its electric drive, it operates smoothly and with less environmental impact compared to traditional fuel-powered machines. Whether for recycling or waste reduction, this shredder is a reliable and efficient solution. The Lindner Micromat 2000 is a heavy-duty, single-shaft shredder built for efficient material processing. It's especially great for hard plastic recycling, but it can handle a wide range of materials like plastics, paper, wood, and more. The machine uses a large rotor with multiple knives to precisely cut and shred the materials into smaller pieces. What makes the Micromat 2000 even more versatile is its ability to be customized with different screen sizes, allowing for control over the output particle size. Whether for industrial waste or recycling, this powerful shredder offers high flexibility to suit various applications, making it a reliable solution for waste management. Thank you for watching this video about 80 bizarrely powerful garbage and recycling machines. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing machines. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative content. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest uploads.